Sponsored by the Home Depot. Not yet. Um, so we are making ice lanterns again this year. And last year people were asking, how do you make them? What type of water do you use? How long do they need to be out? So we're going to go through it step by step this time. I just take a bucket, make sure it's clean, right? I use tap water because I'm making a crap ton of these basically. If you are making one of these for inside for the New Year's, right? For cocktails or whatever, you'll see when we're done how they look. They're amazing. And you can make a smaller version of this to put your champagne in. You can put cranberries in it and do all these fun different things. Maybe consider boiling the water to remove the impurities.
Yeah, if you're only making one.
If you're making one.
Yeah, if I was making one and I was going to use it for cocktails or something that I actually was going to drink out of the ice, I would.
Drink out of the ice.
You could literally use this as a punch bowl.
That is true. Then you would want.
I would sterilize
the
bucket first.
Yes.
I would use bleach. Then let that dry completely naturally, not wiping it out, and then I would fill it with boiling water. You don't want it boiling because it's going to melt the plastic, but you want to boil the water first and then let it cool to a point where it's not going to melt the plastic.
Right.
And then put it outside.
There is something to be said also about if it's very cold outside and this cools down too quickly, I think you get bubbles and different things in the ice. So many last year, and it was dependent on the temperature outside, whether or not these were more clear or more cloudy. And I don't remember what the situation was.
And I had a ton of people comment on your video, that one that got 3 million views, on you could add literally food coloring to it. They put things, you tried it. Remember, you put all these different sticks inside of the ice to try to give it a different look. So there's many things that you can do with these.
I'm kind of against food coloring, generally speaking, in things, food, and it's a mess. So these will melt. So if you're doing food coloring, which is fine, make sure it's in your driveway or in your grass, not on your beautiful deck or on your table.
Good point, Renee. Good point.